Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Jessie and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some sweet on a barbecue tofu. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. So yes guys, here I have my tofu. I'm going to go ahead and slice it into some strips, after which I will place them in a bowl and rinse them off with some clean water and pat dry them to remove some of the excess water from it. So now it's time to season my tofu. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And I'm also going to add all my seasonings and just combine everything together so that all the tofu is well coated with the seasoning. So here I have my pan. I'm going to go ahead and add some oil to fry my tofu. So now I'm just going to add my tofu and allow them to fry until they are golden brown. Then I will remove them. Now it's time to add my tofu to my sweet honey barbecue sauce. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some in my pan. Now I'm going to add all my tofu to my sweet honey barbecue sauce and just stir it around and allow the barbecue sauce to coat the tofu and let it simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes and then it is ready. So yes guys, this is how I made my sweet honey barbecue tofu. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe. And until next time, stay safe.